Globalization shapes labor. Globalization has been playing a crucial role in third world countries. Globalization has introduced new and innovative opportunities for developing countries. Not all the outcomes of this phenomenon are positive. What is globalization? Globalization is the interconnection between people and businesses across the world that eventually leads to economic, global, cultural, environmental, and political integration. What are the pros of globalization on labor? Supports families, skills, and raised awareness. What are the cons? Exploitation, low wages, and brain drain. How might labor and work create global issues or make it worse? There are three major contributing factors towards global issues: brain drain, exploitation, and low wages. Brain drain: highly trained and qualified people from a particular country immigrating for a better future, contributing their expertise to the economy of other countries and suing towards loss of tax revenue, loss of potential and future entrepreneurs, a shortage of important skilled workers, loss of innovative ideas, loss of the country's investment in education, the loss of critical health and education services. Exploitation is the action of treating someone unfairly in order to benefit from their work. For example, the illegal mining of mica in India. Mica is a pigment extender that brightens up the tone of colored pigments in makeup. What do you notice about this image? There are kids ranging from as young as 4 years old, and they're risking their lives. They're making money as low as 50 cents to support their families. What does globalization have to do with this? In order to meet the ever-increasing demands from the industrialist countries, businesses are forced to compromise on wages and safety. International companies get exponential profit at a lower cost. Low wages. What do you notice about this chart? Many workers, even those able to find full-time employment, are prevented from earning a living wage due to abusive employer practices, stagnant minimum wages. Who makes up the low-wage workforce? Women and kids, people of color, and immigrants. Why do poor workers accept low wages? They're ready to work in lower wages because they're desperate poor laborers. B, they're uneducated and unaware of government policies. That's why rich farmers give them low wages. This is a woman that cracks cashew nuts from trees. She's paid by the amount of cashews she cracks. Gloves slow her down, so she uses her bare hands. The black hue you see is her natural pigment after burning herself repeatedly from the acidity leaking out of the cashews. How labor might help solve global issues. How skilled workers can help support their families. Where big industrial companies are establishing their factories, they require a highly skilled workforce, so locally trained people get employed, passing on their skills to their children so they can earn some extra income and a proper livelihood. The more skilled workers equals more opportunities for employment, thus growth and economy. Raised awareness. Globalization is improving the growing awareness of poverty because there are more charitable facilities and programs helping out those who can't help themselves. An example of how raised awareness had changed the village is in Haiti. Did you know that Haiti is so poor they had to survive the famine by eating mud cookies? This unsettling news spread around the media like wildfire. Let's look at this before and after photo. In conclusion, we can see that the number of positive effects that globalization had on labor cannot be compared to the amount of detriments. But there's always a solution for every problem. I believe that the big industrialist countries should make serious efforts to resolve this problem. Labor cannot stand still. It must not retreat. It must go on or go under. The most important word in the language of the working class is solidarity. Harry Bridges. Thank you guys for watching. Here's some sites that I used. Bye!